Hey. So I thought I'd do a really quick eyeshadow tutorial doing this eye look using 4 of the new colors that were just released yesterday. So this is Drift, this is Moscow, this is Butterscotch, and Holly. So first things first, I'm gonna clean my brush, and if you don't have one of these cleaning tiles, you need one. It's perfect for quick change on your eyeshadow. And I'm using my eyeshadow everything. No, we changed the name. It's just an eyeshadow brush now. It's just an eyeshadow brush. Okay, so first color I'm dipping into is the Butterscotch. And I'm just using the fluffier end, tapping off. And I'm just gonna go into the lid, crease, tip. If you have hooded eyes, always go above your crease. Don't tuck all the makeup into the crease, because when you open your eye, it'll all be in there and it won't be visible. So if you have to keep your eye open while you do that so it goes above the crease. Okay, now let's tap into this color called Holly. Super pretty color. Reminds me a little bit of Red Dirt. If you've seen our color Zion, it's kind of similar, just has, I think, a little bit more red instead of orange in it. And we're just going to blend. Hang on, let me get some off my brush. I use too much, which sometimes I do. You don't need a lot. Highly pigmented. These colors are always highly pigmented, so they look really dark in the tin and they will come off really dark if you get too much. Now I'm just dragging the excess under my eye because we're just gonna create a little liner look. I think that using your eyeshadow colors as a liner works so well. It just kind of softens the look a little bit too. And if you think it's too dark, you can always line your waterline with a little bit of like one of your lighter highlight colors, or you can use one of those white liner pencils. I think I actually just ordered a new one and it should be here soon. I don't think, I know I did. Okay, next we're gonna tap into the super pretty color called Moscow. It's a shimmer color, and I'm gonna use the smudgier end of my brush, and I'm just going to get a decent amount on there because shimmer colors can have a hard time coming off on your eye if you don't have the brush wet or you're not using really good pressure. So I kind of always get a good amount on the brush, and then I push down a little bit harder than I would push when I'm normally applying eyeshadow. You know how I'm always saying, like, back off your brush, and just on this I'm more up in here to get that that eye color, like that shimmer color, off the brush and onto my lid. Okay, last color, we're gonna use Drift. Like I said, this is a super easy look using just these 4 new colors, and I've done a lot with the pinks, but I haven't done a lot with these like darker, more warmer fall colors. And I'm just taking this color Drift from the corner. I'm putting a little bit into the corner, but I'm going over into the center of my eyelid with it, because I'm just gonna kind of blend it seamlessly, almost like an ombre. Like I'm taking this lighter color, and then it gets, as it blends with that Moscow color, it's getting a little darker until it like gets its darkest on the outside corner. And that's it. That's the look. You're totally done. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Moscow shimmer color though under my eye. I've got to also apply some mascara, so I'll come back on real quick once I get the mascara on. 1 sec. Okay, mascara is on. However, I forgot to say something. Add a little bit of the Drift right up here, right in the arch of your brow. You don't need a ton up there, just a little, see that? Just to give a little pop of color. It just really helps make that totally pop. So that's it, that's the look. Those 4 colors, also those 4 colors come in a bundle right now. So, and that's probably gonna be till that bundle sells out, but you can get those 4 colors together. I think it's called Pumpkin Spice, that bundle. But it's Holly, Moscow, Drift, and what did I say the other one was? Butterscotch. super cute. Getting you into the fall, you know, we're forcing out summer and just blowing right into fall. We're almost, this is the last day of September. What the heck happened? Okay, that's all I got. I'll talk to you soon.